Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the D Rich Show, where we talk anything and everything crypto. Now, here's your host, D Rich.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the D Rich Show. This is D Rich, and today is December 10th, 2021. Happy Friday, everybody. Hope that you all are doing well and that this video finds you all in good health, good spirits, and good energy. Like my guy Mr. G says, hit that like button on your way in. Support your investment with one easy click. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And again, folks, thank you all for tuning in to yesterday's video and every other video that we've put out on this channel. You guys are getting some great and exciting news, some updates, some things like that. So on today's video, we're going to be talking about Songbird staking airdrop Duck, which is on the XRPL, and yield farming with XSP at 100% APR on BitTrue. So we're going to go over that today. Stay tuned, and most definitely we'll get that information out to you so that you can go ahead and get all of that stuff situated for yourselves and understand what's coming down the pipeline. So here we go. So here we go with the coin market cap for today. Bitcoin's dominance at 40.7%, Ethereum at 21.4%, with a global crypto market cap of 2.22 trillion, which is a decrease of 3.39% over the last day. So pretty much we got about a 7% decrease in the market over the last 2 days. If we were kind of paying attention to the market yesterday, no frets, no frowns, no worries here. All we want to do is continue to look at the market to see where there are some good entry points and look at tokens that we might have wanted got into before anything went down as it's down. So here we go. We got some trending tokens. Biggest gainers recently added. Bitcoin right now, $47,654. And we got Ethereum just under $4,000, $3,991 with some change. And we got BNB, Binance Coin, $561.60. And it looks like Solana took a dip because of some technical difficulties, sitting at number 5, $172.06. Who knows? We'll never know. We'll never know what the end game or results is with some of these assets and some of the things that they're developing on their network as some of them continue to slow down. But anyway, we're not going to get discouraged by anything because we're going to still stay strong, and we're going to hodl all of our assets all the way to the very end until we know that we need the profit to take profit and reinvest it at some point. So anyway, folks, $1.26 on Cardano, which is still taking a beating over the last week or so. So again, dollar cost average continue to accumulate and acquire. And most definitely, if it goes down just a tad bit more, there will be a heavy position taken in Cardano by myself here at the channel. We'll see where it goes, and we'll keep an eye on it. Anyway, our beloved XRP is at 81 cents there, almost 82 cents, down 9.2% in the last 24 hours, almost 14% over the last 7 days. Again, I will always encourage you to create your foundational wealth. This is your foundational wealth opportunity. You got a 10 to 1 chance in being successful. Okay. So again, do your due diligence, use your discernment, and most definitely come up with your own strategy when it comes to your investments. But most definitely, I will encourage you to have that XRP in your portfolio. You're getting free airdrops. You're getting this, you're getting that. And I can't tell you how excited I am for knowing how many Songbird tokens I got airdropped on me, how many Flare tokens I got coming my way. I still get some tokens that we're going to talk about here on today's video, and so on and so forth. Solo, you name it, I'm getting it. So why not get something for free? It's kind of like a stimulus check that we've never gotten from the government as we continue to wait for it. Anyway, Polkadot, $26, almost flat there at number 9. Terra Luna still in the top 10 at $63.48. And Dogecoin trying to get back into the top 10 at 16 cents. And I wish that number would change because I don't like it. But anyway, still $22 billion market cap. Avalanche on its heels. And most definitely, folks, let's go ahead and look at the bleeding in the market just real quickly before we get to the next slide of the video to get us on that songbird trail. All right. So what we want to do is always pay attention to what's going on in the market. All right. Don't let anybody tell you, oh, you're needing to put the market down. Let the market do what it needs to do. No, we need to get a feel for the market. We need to understand the market. We need to know the cycles, when things might happen or not happen. And we also need to look at the trends so we can make better financial choices and decisions when it comes to learning how to sell at the top, shave at the top, take profit, park it to the side, so on and so forth. So this is what we try to encourage on the channel is preserving your wealth. So anyway, folks, let's go ahead and get into some new wealth opportunities with Songbird, as the Songbird token will be supported with Power Piggy. Sorry, folks, for wasting so much time on the car market cap. I always get excited when I talk about things, and hopefully you're learning some things from me, some different pointers, some different cues. But anyway, folks, here we got BitTrue with supporting the Songbird FTSO, where you can get 10% APY on your Songbird in Power Piggy. This was a 1 day ago. I wanted to report on it yesterday, but it was a little bit too late before I got started with some of the news that came out of the U.S. House of Financial Service Committee. But anyway, we have just initiated the FTSO support for Songbird SGB. The FTCO SO is a decentralized system whereby contributors are able to report pricing data and receive rewards if the data they provide is accurate compared to other contributors. The FTSO is then able to produce objective data about the price of a coin to third parties, which is key for companies offering services such as loans, who need to ensure that their data has not been manipulated, and users who do not hold their Songbird on BitTrue will still be able to delegate their Songbird to BitTrue and receive rewards, with the usual fee for this delegation being waived. And we will also be supporting the Songbird and Power Piggy starting Friday, which is today. Happy Friday, which is some good news here, December 10th. And you will be able to invest your Songbird at 10% APR. Like all Power Piggy investments, the amount that the entire community can invest within a day is limited. So if you want to watch the Songbird grow through the amazing power of passive income, make sure that you are ready to invest in this at the scheduled time. And in other news, we also completed a purchase of $1 million of Songbird bought on the secondary market as a way of supporting Songbird. We also feel that it is important for us to support the projects that we believe are making significant advancements in this industry, and Songbird and Flare Network is one of the most promising projects in the entire industry. This is coming from BitTrue, folks. This isn't coming from me. What I would say is, if you believe in the Flare Network, you believe in that ecosystem, believe in Songbird, things like that, boom, here you go. This is what we need to be focused on. Like I said, some of these folks are going to get regulation clarity because they're associated with other folks that will get regulatory clarity. So anyway, folks, let's go ahead and get into XFi, which is an airdrop based on holding Songbird in BitTrue. Like I said, folks, if you hold XRP, XRP has led you to Songbird, it's led you to Flare, it's led you to some of these other airdrops, which are coming our way. So supporting the XFi airdrop to Songbird holders, this was about a month ago. We've already reported on it, but we want to kind of remind you that the snapshot time has been revised to December 12th, and distribution time will be confirmed at a later date. So we don't have a date of the distribution, but we do have 2 days before this snapshot. So if you are accumulating and acquiring your Songbird at about 48, 49, 50 cents there, you're getting 2 for $1. And I'm not sure what the return is on this, but let's go ahead and check out what they have to say here. Again, BitTrue will be supporting the airdrop of XFi token, which is XFi as the ticker, to all users who hold Songbird on our exchange. XFi token is a new token from the Flare Finance team, who are building a wide range of DeFi services which leverage the Park and Songbird tokens created by Flare Network. More information about the XFi token airdrop can be found on their blog, which is here, folks. You can go ahead and click that link there. And the amount of the XFi that any user will receive will be determined by the according to the formula. Amount received, amount of Songbird owned at snapshot time, total Songbird held by BitTrue at snapshot time, which there's an asterisk, to total XFi received by BitTrue in the airdrop. Snapshot time has been set for November 5th. Okay, what we just said that it changed to the 12th. If you wish to receive more XFi in the airdrop, be sure to add more Songbird into your BitTrue account before that time. Songbird is currently trading on BitTrue on USDT as well as XRP pairs. Users must hold at least 10 Songbirds to qualify for the airdrop. So that's really $10, folks, $5 that you really need to put towards this. Extra distribution of 4XFi was planned to occur before the end of November 8th, which it's not happening. But again, here's the update. The snapshot has been revised to December 12th, and the distribution time will be confirmed at a later date. So, folks, it's a free token if you hold certain assets. You can trade out of it, you can hold it, you can do whatever you want, you can sell it, convert it. That is your choice. For me, I believe in the ecosystem. I believe what they're building. I believe in the foundation, which all inherently goes back to XRP, who is the originator of all of this stuff. So if it seems a little bit maddening, hang on to your XRP tokens. It is paying you to be XRP hodler. Almost 4 years that I've been hodling XRP. This is the greatest time to continue to have held on to XRP, because guess what? I'm getting a shitload of solo tokens. I'm getting a shitload of Songbird token, and I'd surely expect myself to get some XFi airdrops in a significant value based on the amount of stuff that I'm hodling when it comes to XRP, things like that. So here you are, folks. Again, XRP is my bottom line. That's my baby. I won't let anyone tell me anything different when it comes to what they are building and the time that we have to wait in order for us to get some of these valuable tokens return. And then especially when XRP does what it is supposed to do. So now, since we're on the BitTrue topic, we're going to get into a new token, which is built on the XRPL, which is Duck. So we're going to get into that as it has come to voting measures on BitTrue. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So here we go, folks, with Duck, as Duck enters the BTR vote with 43 million Duck staking rewards on December 9th, which was about 2 days ago that they reported on this. This is coming from their own personal website. Today is the 10th. Another opportunity to shape the future is arriving in your lap on December 9th. We will be launching a new BTR voting where you can bring Duck to BitTrue using your BTR tokens. Duck, you go right here, click this here. It'll take you to whatever site it needs to go to. And they also aim to create an educational ecosystem based on the XRPL to teach about cryptocurrencies as well as new technologies. When the vote ends, the staking period will begin. For every day that your BTR remains staked, you will continue accruing rewards, which will be paid out in one lump sum at the end of the staking period. You can freeze your BTR early if you wish, but again, you will receive fewer rewards as a result. Staking for this coin will last 7 days, and the total prize pool going out to all participants is 43 million Duck. And again, deposits for Duck XRPL network supported will be available on 12/9. And if it will win the BTR vote, it will start trading with a USD pair very soon. Okay, so again, if you don't have a BTR in your portfolio, you're just going to have to wait to purchase it if it gets listed, and more than likely it will get listed on BitTrue. And if you don't have a BitTrue account, folks, I always on every video leave a referral link in the description of the video. So go ahead and use it as you get a referral bonus for using their platform with that link. So again, folks, if you have BTR tokens as well, then you're going to get some free Duck put into your wallet. And I always encourage you to hold these tokens because, again, just like snapshots and things like that, this will be unilaterally used for yourselves to take advantage of free crypto, free rewards, and things like that. So here you are, folks, with an opportunity to get some tokens that you might like. Don't know too much about Duck. However, we want to report on it because the XRPL is building out its ecosystem. And a lot of these projects are still early yet. So just give them some time, be patient with them, and most definitely always have that long-term vision when it comes to anything XRP related with the ledger, with everything. So here we are, folks. Go ahead and check it out. It is in the pool to, it's already, snatched up as far as the voting process. So let's just give it a couple days. We'll touch back on it here shortly to let you know if it's been added to BitTrue or not. So again, here we're going to report on all of the stuff that is XRP related when it is available. So next, what we're going to do is talk about XSP, yield farming, and what that might mean for you if you are a user of BitTrue. And again, as you always hear me say, BitTrue is the #1 platform for me when it comes to buying, trading, using the platform for my accruing of digital assets. XSP. Folks, we brought this to you on November 24th when it came to BitTrue. So here it is. XSP is now doing some yield farming at 100% APR, which was reported 1 day ago here on BitTrue. And again, folks, I want to always report on opportunity to capitalize on your investments. And this is important for us to do as we are continuing to look for passive income, as we see a bear market or some sort of downturn in the market, things like that. We always want to have investment opportunities in here on the channel. We're going to do that. So invest in XSP on BitTrue, which starts today, December 10th, yield farming at 100%. And they are very pleased to be working with XSP to bring our communities a chance to receive returns up to 100% APR with yield farming. And this round will have 3 pools opening. It's rewarding XSP. So here are some of the details, and they follow as such. So on December 10th here, folks, you got it all across the board here. Okay, we want to check that out. If you have XSP on the BitTrue platform, you're going to get XSP 100%, BTR 100%, and XDC and 100%. So again, if you hold these 3 different assets, you're going to get XSP. So it's giving you an opportunity to either accumulate more for absolutely having these assets. And on BitTrue, yes, I do hold all 3. So I want to get these returns, and I want to make sure that we are getting them so that we can stay positive, confident in our investments, and most definitely these folks are going to give you some return and some yield. So take advantage of it and always look for those opportunities. And most definitely, we're going to report on it every time we get a chance to. So if it gets a little bit too much, no worries. We're going to report on it because we want that yield farming. We want that yield as far as passive income, some tokens that might be, you're getting, say for instance, you get 5 XDC. Who knows? I don't know. Or you have 5 XSP. It goes to $1. You just made $5 for holding it because it's only less than a penny. You do your due diligence and come to your conclusions of how you value some of these tokens and what the worth could be per token. So that's how I look at it. And the farming period will be for a full 30 days. And there will also be a preparation and distribution periods at the beginning and end of the investment. Yield farming is only available on BitTrue app, which can be downloaded on Google Play and iOS app stores. Just look for the DeFi section on the front page and make sure you turn up at 10 UTC December 10th, as the investments often sell out extremely quickly. So you got to sign up for it, folks. You got to go on and get there and get it delegated as long as you possibly can delegate them for 30 days. So again, if you're late, you still have another opportunity. Get in there for the 30 days. Get back on there every single day. At the time, there's a counter. Usually it counts down. So you want to be paying attention to when that is. And if you don't know what UTC is, you got to look it up. There's a Google search, things like that to kind of help you understand where that's at, and the time zones. So anyway, folks, lastly, we're going to touch on something that came through email and that's been reported that I've been asking for when it comes to your Ledger devices. So stay tuned for it. I'm going to give that to you. I'm going to leave a link for you to get in the waiting line for your Ledger credit card or debit card that has come to the scene. So hold on, let's get to it right now. So folks, I end up getting this from Ledger. They told me, congratulations, you are on the wait list for the CL card, which is powered by Ledger. This they linked up with Coinbase, I believe it was. And here I am, 51,705 in line on the wait list. The first 10,000 people who are on the waiting list will receive a free card. And then you can also move up the wait list when others join using your referral link. So in the description of the video, if you are a Ledger user and haven't done this already, go ahead and use the link that I'll leave so we can all move up. You can share it on yours because you're going to get one yourself. You're going to confirm your email, which they will require you to do. So if you log on to your Ledger Live, you're going to be able to see that information. It's on your Ledger Live. There's some notes there. Check it out. Subscribe. It's very simple, very easy. And then wait a couple minutes before that email arrives in your email box. And then just confirm your email. And then this page will pop up. It will tell you congratulations, so on and so forth. And then again, there's things that are subject to eligibility conditions, which are including country or residence and availability. For here in the United States, it's available, so I'm good to go. And here, we just want to give you some news on this. And I've always been asking Ledger on my Twitter feed when credit cards or debit cards, just like some of these other companies. And folks, here we are at that point where they are coming on board with a debit credit card where you can easily transact your crypto and things like that for payment. So anyway, folks, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know that I had a little bit more pep in my step today. I'm excited about the channel. I'm excited about the direction. If you have any comments or feedback in regards to how I've been editing, if I should edit differently or do something differently, let me know. I'm all ears. Any good suggestions, any comments and concerns or whatnot, go ahead and address them. I'm always free to communicate with you. I'll always try to communicate with everyone. So I try to be as transparent as possible. Most definitely always truthful when it comes to being honest and things like that. So anyway, on the way out, if you didn't do it on the way in, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and folks, go ahead and share these content or these videos on your favorite platforms, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, whatever. Go ahead and do me that favor, and I would greatly appreciate you. I surely appreciate you anyway. Anyway, folks, happy Friday again, wherever you are in the world today. Have a outstanding weekend. I always encourage you to try to do something fun, new, and exciting. And we'll get back to you on Monday. We're going to get back into talking about gold and silver sometime throughout the week because those are some things that we want to continue to talk about. We're going to continue to talk about some prepping, things like that, so that we remain safe and we hedge our bets against any type of monetary inflation. And hedge our bets against the folks who don't have our best interests in mind. So anyway, again, have a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday. God bless, take care, and as always, treat everyone with class, dignity, and respect. Bye-bye.